Yeah, right.
I got it.
I don't believe it.
Yeah, I'm vlogging everything I can, man. This is beautiful. Beautiful.
You liking it, huh?
Yes. How y'all like that? It's coming together, man. Wait a minute. Let's see if that's in there. Oh, wow. That's in there, too. Look, man, we got this in here, y'all. Yeah. Dang. Oh, that's in there. Yep. Back to the good old days. Let's go back. This is wonderful.
But with that emergency brake pedal, that driver's side ain't gonna go in.
We're just going to. We can lean that one out a little more than that one, I guess. On the driver's side, you want it to be.
I'm not gonna let you make it look ugly.
Okay. Well, how about eliminating this then? That's the only way we can do it.
This is a whole unit.
We're almost done.
Get close.
We got seat belts.
Seat belts in the back.
Seat belts in the back.
These are bolted.
Only thing we don't got is what?
Yeah, we got that.
Airbags. We don't got no airbags. Yeah, that's what I meant to say.
Blow up a balloon.
Yeah. Yeah, we got seat belts here. Yeah. I don't know either. Maybe I can shorten that thing up some. Yeah, I can cut it and get somebody to weld it back together, shorten it up some.
Now wait a minute.
No?
We're talking about grinding and hot sparks flying everywhere, and then a welder's throwing hot sparks? I don't think so. That ain't, no.
Oh, okay.
You don't want to do that. You'll be burning seats and panels and carpets and everything.
Yep, that looks nice. Look at all the detail in that. Looks like it was
made for it.
Exactly. Man. Who did that job?
I don't know. I think the dogs done it while I was gone.
Wow. Got some nice billet things. Oh yeah, this is what I want to show y'all, you guys. Check that out, man. That is nice. Yep. Stitching time, you guys. Comment.
None.
No, I'm just letting them know. Leave a comment if you guys, you know, want to find out the location of. That. We're gonna have some nice. No room.
No way.
so we got
over an inch.
Yeah, you guys. We got the armrests too. Look at that, man. That's nice for old school. It looks original, back original the way it, you know. And it's
It's ultra leather.
yeah, ultra leather. Yeah. It's the original armrest and ultra leather. Ooh, be careful. I don't want you to break them pretty nails.
Okay, that helped a little bit. But not enough. This is gonna sit up here. You know what we might could do? We might could
Cut.
half of this off, just to see right here where this is. Cut this much off, and just have a little,
a little rubber on it.
just a half rubber, but that would give us. Is it going to be enough?
Yeah, it probably will work.
But how far?
Got some clearance here. Right there.
Yeah, see,
Cut it
this
to right
this
there.
is what I'm looking at. Is cut this off right here. Does this thing even work?
I'm sure it does.
Yeah. I don't think that's going to give us enough. Even cutting that off, what? Seeing where this arm is?
Yeah. Somebody come to your front door? Sound like it.
The dog would have told me. Yep, mailman.
Oh, okay.
That's why. Yeah.
It's not gonna work.
Dogs don't let nobody sneak up on them.
Yes, I noticed that.
When I had this bolt out, I could cock this over a little bit.